All right, so let's try out this little oil spray. You can see on here, I chose the sticker olive oil because they have a whole bunch of stickers you can actually get. Comes with it. So if you want to choose a different kind of oil to put on your sticker, they have olive stickers or a sauce. So now it has two functions. It can spray with the sprayer or it can pour. First though, we gotta load it up with oil. So I rinsed it out, I washed it already. After you got it, now we're gonna load it up with my favorite oil for this sprayer was gonna be some olive oil. Maybe you wanna spray something like Pico de Gallo. That's one place that I would use it. I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. I think that'd be too much. I'm gonna test it out, see how it works. We're gonna spray this casserole dish because I want this casserole dish to have a nice coating of oil. So let's see how it works. Here it goes. There we go. Nice little spray. I know it's hard for you to see the spraying going on there, but it does spray it. There's a nice little coating there. A nice little coating. So now I can put the broccoli inside. I'm going to put it inside, and it's less likely to stick. And then, of course, you can also pour it. I'm not going to pour it out, but it's going to work just like you would expect. Well, I am going to pour it out. There it goes. That was a nice little spray bottle that also can pour the oil out. A very handy tool in the kitchen for you to help you in your cooking so you don't get too much oil in your food.